भारताक विश्वगुरू करपाचे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीचे सपन आसा। गोंयांत जाल्ले नव्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय कायदो विद्यापीठाचे सपन पुराय करपाच्या उद्दिष्टाक बळगे दिता, मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान सांगले।
सांकवाळच्या सड्यार भारतीय आंतरराष्ट्रीय कायदो शिक्षण आनी संशोधन विश्वविद्यालय स्थापन केलां। सांकवाळ पंचायत क्षेत्रांतल्या कला भवनांत हें विद्यापीठ सक्रिय जालां। बिरेस्तारा मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान ताचें उक्तावण केलें। सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो न्यायमूर्ती B.R. गवई तशेंच न्यायमूर्ती सूर्यकांत, न्यायमूर्ती M.M. सुंदरेश, उच्च न्यायालयाचो न्यायाधीश महेश सोनक हांणी हजेरी लायली।
It gives me the immense pleasure to inaugurate the campus of India International University of the Legal Education and Research in the beautiful state of Goa, which will be the first of its kind in the country. It will be the first international legal education institute in the country having the facilities and amenities at par the global universities, including the state-of-the-art infrastructure. I am glad that this institution is commencing during my tenure as the Chief Minister of the Goa, and it is my privilege that I can be the part of it. I am proud to announce that the Government of Goa has given the 2 lakh square meter of the land at Dharbandora to establish the prestigious university. Till the university complex at Dharbandora is completed, the government has made the temporary accommodation for the university university functions in this building of the Kala Bhavan Sankwale, which actually with the help of our MLA Anton Vaz and the local panchayat has also helped for this building. Our GSIDC, all the officers who have completed this work within a short span of the time. The education is only the key to the success in personal and the professional life. It is the aim of my government to make the Goa into an educational hub of India. Our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has a vision of the India as a Vishwaguru, the world teacher. The establishment of this university is the Goa is contributing to help to make the vision into the reality. We at the government of Goa have the vision to create the identity behind the traditional aspects of the tourism, football, art, cultures, etc. Especially during the past 2 years, my government, the state has experienced some glorious moment in the educational sector. The Goa Assembly has passed the India International University of Legal Education and Research of the Bar Council of India Trust Act, and for the purpose of the establishment of this university. This act also provides the 20% of the reservation for the Goan student for the admission to this university. It has also been my dream and vision to provide the best of the education for the youth of Goa at par with the international standard. This is a step towards the dream. We have been able to attract some prestigious institutions to the state by the way of passing the Goa Private University Act. We are on the fast track path of completing the NIT campus at Kunkalim and have commenced the campus of National Forensic Science University at Dharbandora. Today's inauguration is not only the joyous celebration of the occasion, but the expression of the state's that Goa's interest in the legal education, the global affairs and public policy.
सांकवाळच्या कला भवनात हें विद्यापीठ सुरू जाल्ल्यान थंयचे थिएटर बंद दवरतले काय कितें असो प्रस्न उपरसलो। मुख्यमंत्र्यान ताचेर सांगलें, हेर प्रिमायसीस विद्यापीठा खातीर वापरतले, थिएटर चालूच उरतलें। सांजे आनी सुटयांनी थिएटरांत कार्यावळी करपाक मेळटल्यो। आयकात मुख्यमंत्र्याक।
3 ते 4 वर्सां हो कॅम्पस हांगा उरतलो। ताच्या उपरांत तो कॅम्पस धारबांदोडाक तेजें नवीन कॉलेज जावपाचें आसा। थिएटर हें सगळ्या लोकां खातीर ओपन आसतलें आनी आमदार बाब आंतोन वाज हांणी म्हाका स्पेशली रिक्वेस्ट केला, तोय म्हाज्या बरोबर आसा। फक्त आमी बाकीची प्रिमायसीस तांकां दिल्या, थिएटर दिवंक ना आनी त्या खातीर कला भवनांतले थिएटर जें आसा हें इवनिंग टायम्स आनी वेकेशन्स हे लोकां खातीर ओपन आसतलें आनी वेगवेगळे कार्यक्रम करपा खातीर आमी आमच्या GAD अदरवायज कला आनी सांस्कृतीक डिपार्टमेंटाच्या वतीन थिएटर्स लोकांक अवेलेबल करून दितले।
गोवा 365 खातीर श्यामचारी।